Alright guys, I got a new camera. This is an Osmo Action 5 Pro and we're gonna go test it out. They have a super night mode that you could put it on and we're really hoping that it looks good when we're in the cars. So we're gonna go do that right now. Parsa, so he should be here soon. I'm gonna go walk down to him. Ran into my car. We are currently in super night mode. It's, I think, picking up a very, very little bit, but I hear Parsa and I can see his car. I genuinely don't know if he saw me or not. I don't think he saw me. Hey, buddy.
Seriously, we're walking on the street?
I was seriously walking on. You didn't see me?
Are you serious?
That's funny.
I saw him. I just made him walk more.
New camera, dude.
I made you walk more, bro.
Huh?
I saw you.
Did you actually?
Yeah.
Okay. We're going right now to our
our racetrack.
Yeah, to the
Private road.
Private road right now.
Test road.
We were gonna hook it up to this mount right here, but there's a piece that's missing, so I think we might just do the head mount. Hey, how's it going?
Hey.
Are you ready? All
What are
right.
you doing, bro?
cheap and very, very colorful. Yeah. I used to have a BLZ, but I don't know, I just stopped. I feel like I don't need.
guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank God for this. We're using the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro camera. I ordered it, and I think this is going to be our new camera for when we're taking any videos. Thank God it does an amazing job. It's way better than the Hero 10 that I have. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.